What's up, guys? We are back with another one. We got another aero mod happening for the Corvette, so hopefully this is the last mod that I'm going to be doing for as far as aero. As you can see, I have the side skirts and I also have the front splitter from C7 Carbon. So the only thing I have left that I like to do for this C6 is the back end. So I'm going to go ahead and move forward with the spoiler. I ended up going with the extended ZR1 spoiler from C7 Carbon, and this is the carbon fiber spoiler. They packed it. They did a great job with the packing. I pulled it out. I couldn't wait to unbox it, but they did a great job packing everything with the film, the stretch wrap, and the bubble wrap and styrofoam. So it came all in one piece. Everything looks good. As you can see here, it's beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, get this thing put on. The instructions look fairly simple to do. I just wanted to do a quick once over and it looked like everything is good. So I am going to go ahead and set this down and transform this back in. All right, so not too bad. When you get to the tail lights, once you get these tail lights out with the T15, there's going to be 4 of these bolts right in the back of here. So basically what I did was just reach behind with the 10mm socket, got all 4 of those out, and you disconnect your brake light right in the center. Once you do that, you're pretty much able to pop this out. So that came out without a problem. It's pretty filthy under there, so what I'm going to do is get that all cleaned up first, and then we'll go ahead and transfer the brake light into the extended spoiler, ZR1 spoiler, and then we'll go ahead and put this back in. So not quite as big enough for the bolt to go in. I'm just going to go ahead and now size the bolt, or size the bit a little bit larger, just so that I have a little bit of play. So instructions said go ahead and make it slightly larger so that you can have a little bit of play in here so that you can better align the spoiler. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and see how it looks. All right, guys, just a quick tip. It was pretty easy lining everything up, drilling the 2 holes to get everything marked, and I spent 20 minutes trying to figure out how to connect my brake light. So to save you guys some time, those that are interested in doing this in the future, go ahead and feed your 3rd brake light through this little hole first, and go ahead and connect it before you actually mount anything down. I was trying to fish it through the tail light and trying to figure out exactly where to plug it in, and you know, after I stopped and thought about it, there's a hole right there. Just fish it through and you guys should be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and button this up and should be done. All right, that brings us to the end of this video. If you like what you saw, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Got a lot more content that's going to be dropping for the Corvette. So until then, we'll see you on the next one.